be using Google Docs. So I'm going to show you how to do this in Google Docs. If you're not doing Google Docs, that's fine. You can use any sort of like word processing. This should help still. So make sure that you title your document, because I get a lot of documents where it says this, untitled document. So I'm going to call this Mythology Final. Okay, so for the settings, you want to make sure that you are in size 12 font for it to be MLA. For your fonts, you have two choices. You can either choose Arial or you can choose Times New Roman. That's it. Those are your only choices for it to be MLA, Arial or Times New Roman. So make sure you have the right font, make sure that you have the right font size. Then to make sure that everything is double spaced, this looks a little bit different on your iPad than it does on mine. But you're going to go into formatting, and then you're going to go into, you've got a little tab on yours that says line spacing. So if you just do this from the very beginning of your document, it'll be double spaced for the whole thing, which that's what you want. So you're going to go into paragraph on yours. You're going to go into paragraph, line spacing, and then there's a little tab. You have to click the little tab, and then you're going to change it to double for the whole thing. Okay, so for the header, you're going to put your name. So I'm going to pretend your name is student name. Make sure it's capitalized. Then you're going to put your teacher's name. Then you are going to put the class title. So for us is Pre-AP ELA 9. Then you're going to put the due date. Okay, the due date, not today's date, but the due date. So that's the 4 things that need to go into your header. Then your title, all you're going to do for your title is just make it centered. You don't click twice. You don't hit enter twice. It's just going to be centered. So your title goes here. And then after you're done with your title, go back to left justified over here. And then the thing to remember is before you start typing your first paragraph, you just got to hit tab. Or if you don't have a tab, because I know that's kind of hard on iPads, just hit the space bar 5 times. You're just going to tab over. So you're going to start typing your essay. Look at this, is a beautiful essay, right? And then, oh, see, it thinks that this is all like one. There we go. It thinks it's all one word. Okay, so you're going to start typing your essay. This is my beautiful essay. Okay, so every time that you do a new paragraph, all you need to do is hit return. So it goes to a new line, and then tab again, and you've got a whole new paragraph. Okay, notice that when I go to a new paragraph, I'm not hitting enter twice, I'm not hitting return twice. I know that it's a new paragraph just from the indent, okay? This whole thing is double spaced. There's no extra spaces here before or after the title. There's no extra spaces in between paragraphs. The whole thing is double spaced, okay? If you have any questions about this, ask me, but this is a really simple, fast way of showing you how to do MLA formatting for your essay.